all, myself Shruti. Today I'm back with a very interesting topic that is about paw parenting. So, paw parenting is not only a hobby, along with the hobby, it demands lots of our responsibilities and commitments. So, I will be talking about adopting and taking care of a dog. So, if we are taking care of any dog, then first and foremost is we have to understand the behavior of them, and there should be a good chemistry between us and dogs. And second thing is we have to train them in such a way, it should be disciplined, and it should show whatever it needs in the form of a sign, or we have to understand its sign, and we should be in a condition to understand its behavioral indications, whereas when it needs food, how it behaves, when it is not feeling well, how it will be. Along with all these things, we should also follow the right laws. Accordingly, we have to buy a dog. So adopting furry friends is a very trending topic nowadays. So all of us are liking to uh, adopt a dog and take care of it. Understanding the life of the dog is very important. So it looks so easy, but the actual task is not at all easy. It requires lots of our care and affection, and also it requires our attention too. So we have to spare lots of our time, and also we should be needing patience to take care of it. So if we see what and all is needed before we plan to take a pet is, we should see that whether we have enough space in our home to take care of it, and monthly grooming should be done time to time, and all the medical facilities like vaccine and everything can be given, and its hygiene should be maintained in a very good way. That must be considered as the utmost important. And along with all these, we also have to see or take care of the budget, wherein it should be in a affordable price. There will be so many breeds available, which varies with their color, behavior, but its basic nature will be same. So whenever we are adopting, taking care of a pet, it need not be a high breeded dog only. The stray dogs also can be taken care. Only there will be difference with the food, and the body nature will be differing between the different breeds as well as stray dogs. So now we got to know how we can adopt a dog, and what and all the conditions we should be following to adopt a dog or to buy a dog. I tell about what and all benefits we will be having by taking care of a dog, is first and foremost it plays a major role in our stress management. So there are so many studies which are done wherein they prove that whoever feels lonely, or whoever will be very stressed out or disturbed mind, so if they take care of a dog, or if they live with any paw, then their stress level will be balanced. And whenever a child is there in a home, this paw parenting is very much important, and it plays a very positive and multifaceted impact on child, wherein the child will be able to understand the meaning of love, faith, compassion, and physical exercise. The one who adopts or one who take care of the dog will get enough physical exercise, so that his mental status will be normal, and also his blood pressure and other health conditions will be kept normal. And also stress management can be done very positively, and he can keep himself relaxed, and also his state of mind will be very calm. With all this, the one who stays with the pets or animals will be having good immune system, because their from the like from long time, since they will be staying with the animals, their immune system will be strong and will be adjusted to that. So these are all the science benefits we will be getting if we take care of a dog. So once we decide to buy or adopt a dog, what are all the things we have to keep in mind is, one is whichever breed will be appropriate for us based on their financial cost, and also the things we should take care while we are living along with the pets. it demands lots of our time commitment. Otherwise we cannot justify the parenting process what we will be undertaking. And along with the time we also have to train the animals, wherein to train them initially we have to understand their body language. Only then we will be able to judge what the animal is trying to say or what it is undergoing, whether it has any stress or whether it is feeling any discomfort with the way we are parenting or in the food habit or anything else. And along with all this, whenever we parent a paw, then we should justify them by making them to live their lifestyle. That is, if we adopt or buy a dog and make them or place them in a bone, it is not appropriate, where the animals will be very dull and they will not be active. So it's very important that if we parent a paw, then it always requires a 15 minutes outdoor, so that because since the dog is famous for socializing, so it always needs social life, so that its quality of life will be good. And also it should undergo its natural instincts, then only the animal will be enjoying the stay with us, and also we will be justifying the parenting too. I'll be showing a place which is situated in Shimoga, near Shimoga, Karnataka. So this place is owned by my cousin called Srushti Swarup, where he has created a place called Living World, wherein he is taking care of lots of different breeds of dogs. He take care of them with lots of love, affection, and responsibility. And the fondness these animals show also makes anyone that you have to parent a paw. Maybe it is a any breeded normal dog. The feeling and sentiments what they show is like cannot be explained. So when I went here, even I felt like I have to parent a paw and take care of them by the way they show the fondness and sentiment. So if you go to this place, it is situated near Tirthahalli, called Gadikalu, where he is having lots of breeds of dogs like German Shepherd, American Foxhound, Pit Bull Terrier, Australian Retriever, Rottweiler, Australian Shepherd Husky, Burger Picard, Boston Boxer, Chusky, Dachshund, Dalmatian, Doberder, French Spaniel, Doberman Pinscher, and he has lots of uh, other countries Shepherd, Retriever, Husky. Whoever go near to this place, just visit the place once, and if you are interested in parenting a paw, you can buy it from him. He'll be explaining how what and all conditions we should follow for food or other climatic conditions, and how we have to take care of these dogs. So we'll be having a satisfaction that we'll be taking care of an animal, and also, as I said, it plays a major role in the stress management too. So all of you can visit the place, and if you are interested, you can also be a part of this. So all of you watch, share, and like my channel, so that I'll be motivated to put more and more videos. Thank you all.